The brief was simple. Can you make the Arsenal Crest from aircraft materials?
My first reaction was excitement. We've never built anything like this before.
None of these components were designed to be pieced together.
The challenge was not just making it look like the Arsenal Crest, it was making it structurally sound while preserving the story of the aircraft materials.
Everything used to make this crest has flown further than most people will in their lifetime. And now they have a new purpose. A build to honor a legendary football club's enduring legacy.
In simple terms, the upcycling program is about taking materials from retired or refreshed Emirates aircraft and turning them into something new.
This is a great source of parts that cannot fly any longer, and we will take them over in order to produce new products.
It was the first time we really worked to bring two very strong brands together.
When we started selecting which retired aircraft components could be repurposed for each part of the crest, the team began contributing ideas on how to best use the available materials. The aircrafted team quickly identified the right components for each part of the crest. For the face of the crest, aluminium fuselage skin from a Boeing 777 was the go-to option. Cargo tracks from an A380 would form the outer frame and internal structure. A strong and sturdy A380 wheel hub was fitting for the cannon wheel. A titanium duct assembly, built for heat, was the perfect choice for the cannon itself. Floor panels were used to finish the cannon body, and cabin windows would become the Arsenal typeface. Cargo rollers and aviation rivets would make up the finishing touches and really help bring the crest to life.
Arsenal was born in a munitions factory in Woolwich in 1886. Working men and women, engineers building things with their hands. So there's something fitting about a new generation of engineers building a physical crest using aircraft parts. It's a true tribute to the club's roots.
It was a new challenge for the team. Even though the crest will never fly, we apply the same discipline, workmanship standards that we use on an operational aircraft.
The Arsenal Crest was designed around the centerpiece, which is the A380 wheel hub. The strength and resilience required in a wheel hub reflects the same resilience that we wanted to incorporate in this crest. The skin of the crest is created from Boeing 777 fuselage skin.
The crest's internal framework and outer structure are built from retired A380 cargo tracks, ensuring the crest remains rigid.
Another key piece is the hot air bleed duct, which forms the barrel of the crest. A really unique and unexpected feature of the crest is the cargo rollers, which we managed to incorporate around the outer perimeter. They're designed to look a little bit like oversized rivets, still really holding the authenticity of aviation materials.
The Arsenal letters were probably one of the most challenging parts of the project. Branding requires a very high level of visual precision, where even small differences can be noticeable.
Who knows, maybe one of the Arsenal fans that is looking at this crest has flown on one of these Emirates aircraft as well.
When the project came to life, we contacted the paint manufacturer and requested the colors. Attention to detail in the masking is crucial to ensure all of the brand elements are captured perfectly. The last coat is clear coat, our last opportunity to get it right. Once the curing process starts, there's no going back.
When the power switched on and the letters illuminated exactly as intended, there was a moment of silence. It was the first time the project stopped looking like a collection of aircraft parts and started looking like a landmark.
When I saw the finished crest, for me it meant it was just one step of its journey. We handed over to the Sky Cargo team in order to reach the Arsenal fans.
We move unique cargo every day, but this was different. The Arsenal Crest isn't just a shipment, it's a symbol of the club's history and identity. Knowing we were transporting something so iconic made this a very special movement for our team.
Good morning, this is the captain speaking. This is Emirates Sky Cargo, flight EK9901. We are ready for departure.
When you talk about Emirates, you talk about Arsenal in the same breath. I think it's just a fitting tribute to all the work that's been done in the past that's got us to where we are today, and it shows a real belief in the future of what we can do together.
We are very proud. One of the greatest clubs in football history is carrying our name. The stadium which we're in at the moment also carries our name. It's absolutely awesome.
It's an incredible achievement to see it coming here together. It was a real passion project, and that's what I see when I look at the Crest.